Welcome to the instructions video for the Passive Earth Pressure Rankine Interactive Calculator. This tool helps engineers and designers calculate the lateral soil pressure acting against retaining walls and foundations using Rankine's classical earth pressure theory. It's essential for designing structures that rely on soil resistance. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several soil and geometry parameters. First, input the unit weight of the soil, typically measured in kilonewtons per cubic meter. For our example, we'll enter 18. Next, enter the internal friction angle of the soil in degrees. We'll use 30 degrees, which is common for medium-dense sand. Then, input the height of the retaining wall or the depth you're analyzing. Let's enter 3 meters. You may also need to specify any surcharge load on the surface. Once all inputs are entered, click Calculate to see the passive pressure coefficient Kp, the pressure distribution along the wall height, and the total resultant horizontal force acting on the structure. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.